97th pre-competitive skill test. An unnecessary prerequisite for preparation is thus complete independence for the country and removal of all outside control. Full stop. This implies that the country possesses in itself full sovereign authority to adopt any measures or policies and to form any relations with other countries as may seem best to governing authority in the welfares of the country and its people. Full stop. An expectation is that the subjects of language, for clearly there is no better way to learn a language than to hear people speaking it. Full stop. This will not avail entirely and something must needs be left to chance. But he wants to know what actions have been taken in this regard by the various state governments. Full stop. New paragraph. Would it be good for men if chance were altogether eliminated? Most of them found it much harder to remember what we have seen in a book or have been enlightened. Full stop. We are not told that the minor offenses and clarifications on these points are necessary. Full stop. The minister said that the powers under the act were adequate. Full stop. We sympathize with the food minister. Full stop. We need to have keener appreciation or we shall lose all our fortune. Full stop. How long have I asked themselves could such a color last? Done high up on the girl's face was a mass of red gold. Full stop. It was enough for them to put here, not loved except by this own family. Full stop. New paragraph. But the whites moved into a tiny and the newer house. Full stop. National independence is thus an indispensable beginning for taking all the steps that might be found necessary for carrying out the 5-year plan in all its various aspects throughout the whole country. Full stop. A writer, while telling us of scenes in far off lands, can bring into our mind so distinct pictures of these countries as can quite a short traveling picture. Full stop. Unfortunately, his agents on the state level are not equally enthusiastic and not even anxious to observe the provisions of this enactment. Full stop. Although we are taking us all round a very cautious race, there are never wanting of among them willing to take the chance inseparable from business. Full stop.